Today on Grandpa's Garage, we replaced a power steering pump and looked like idiots driving down the road. So as you saw, we got our old power steering pump out. Essentially what we did is we took off the AC compressor because we wanted to be able to take off our pulley on the bench. Otherwise we would have had to do it in the truck. Additionally, taking off the fan shroud, which was going to be a no for me. So we have our new one here. So all we've got to do is take off this pulley, put it onto this pump, and then we're gonna, after we take it out of this bracket, and then we'll swap the new one in. There we go. All right, so we just replaced the power steering pump. Next step is to start the truck up and make sure it works. Supercharged.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the steering is so bad with the tires.
Oh yikes, I can feel it.
Yeah, it's not good. ABS light just came on.
Thanks everybody for watching this episode of Grandpa's Garage. We got the new power steering pump put in, and it's working good. We're going to try and bleed the system next time because it's still whining a lot. We also need to address the tire situation. These are horribly dry rotted and could blow up at any second. Also, we need to do some basic maintenance, probably change the oil, check all the other fluids, just the usual stuff. But stay tuned for that one, and don't forget to like and subscribe.